Two tech giants, two AI assistants, but only one can win your trust in everyday life. Google has Gemini. Meta has AI built into your favorite social apps. So which one is actually better for real people? In this video, we'll compare features, usability, privacy, and performance of Google Gemini and Meta AI, and reveal which one truly wins in real-life use. Let's start with what they are. Google Gemini is Google's advanced AI assistant. It can write content, answer questions, generate code, analyze files, and work across devices. Meta AI is built into WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. It chats with you like a friend, gives suggestions, answers basic questions, and even plays games. So far, Gemini is more of a power tool, while Meta AI feels more personal and casual. Let's compare features. Google Gemini writes essays, emails, captions, summarizes PDFs and documents, works in Google Docs, Gmail, and Android, has coding and research capabilities, voice-enabled, Gemini on mobile, Meta AI, built-in chat in WhatsApp and IG, casual conversation plus advice, personality-based bots, fitness, travel, fashion, integrates with Instagram Reels, stickers, memes. Verdict: Gemini wins on raw capability. Meta wins on integration with social life. Let's test a real-life example. Planning a weekend trip. Gemini gives detailed suggestions, top places to visit, hotel reviews, weather forecast, and even creates a full itinerary in seconds. Meta AI can suggest a few destinations, recommend a reel to inspire you, and give lighthearted travel tips. If you want depth, Gemini wins. If you want a fun spark, Meta AI is more playful. Now let's try productivity. Gemini helps you write emails, create meeting notes, and summarize reports. It integrates with your Google Calendar, Docs, and even Gmail. Meta AI can joke with you about deadlines, but it can't actually do your work. For serious users, Gemini is miles ahead. But what about user experience? Meta AI feels friendly, almost too friendly. It responds like a human, uses emojis, and even mimics personality. Gemini is like a smart assistant. It gives direct, accurate answers but feels more robotic. It comes down to preference. Want a buddy? Go Meta. Want results? Gemini delivers. Here's the serious part. Privacy. Google Gemini says it doesn't use your personal content for AI model training, and you can delete your data history anytime. Meta AI, on the other hand, may store and review your chats. And Meta's track record with data privacy isn't great. If privacy matters to you, Gemini is the safer choice. Let's wrap it up with a quick comparison. Google Gemini, pros, powerful tools, Google ecosystem integration, stronger privacy controls, slightly robotic tone, can feel overwhelming. Meta AI, pros, fun and easy to use, built into apps you already use, great for social and casual use, limited abilities, weaker on privacy, not suitable for real productivity. Which brings us to the final verdict. So which AI assistant wins? If you want power, depth, and privacy, Google Gemini is the better assistant. But if you want something light, social, and fun, Meta AI gives you that daily companionship. Either way, AI is becoming part of your life. The smarter you are about how you use it, the more it will serve you, not the other way around. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which one do you use, and why?